Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to generate arrays from particular column. That means either from single column or multiple columns by using collect underscore list or collect underscore set function. Suppose if you see this particular example, I have this data frame. So here I have total 4 columns: ID, name, languages, and age. Suppose I want to collect all the elements of this particular languages column. Then I will use collect underscore list function on top of languages column. What it gives output is it will collect all the elements and it will return in the form of array. Okay, so this is about collect underscore list. If same thing, if you use collect underscore set, what it does is it ignores duplicate elements. Suppose if you see here Python repeating 2 times, PHP repeating 2 times. So what it does is it ignores duplicates. So it generate only single element. So this collect underscore set is equivalent to dictionary in Python. So in dictionary in Python also it ignores duplicate elements. So now we'll see a demo. See if you see definition, no, collect underscore list. What it does is it returns all values from input column as list with duplicates. So it will give output in the form of list and it contains duplicate values. It is an aggregate function which returns an array that has all values with the group. It is used to create an array type column on data frame by merging rows typically after groupBy or window partitions. So in collect underscore list nodes, so order of elements inside array is maintained. So that means, see, we applied collect underscore list on top of this particular column languages. If you see result, see it will be in same order: Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript, Java, C++. Okay, so it will follow same order. But in case of collect underscore set, it not maintained this order. Okay, and on top of that, it eliminates the duplicates and results only unique values. And what it does is it returns all values from input column as list, but without duplicates. So what is the major difference between collect underscore list and collect underscore set? It gives output with duplicates and this one without duplicates. And one more thing is order. Order is maintained in collect underscore list, but in collect underscore set, you don't maintain order. So now we'll see example. So I am importing these functions collect underscore list, collect underscore set, and array underscore distinct and struct. Okay, and this from types, I'm importing this one. See, I have this data frame. So I am trying to run this data frame. See, for these columns, I defined a schema here. So for ID, integer type, for name, languages, string type, and for age, integer type. And if you see, this is our data frame. And you can see our data types here. So whatever we define, we'll get here. So next, first I want to apply collect underscore list function on single column. So what I'm doing is df.select, and top of that I'm using collect underscore list. I'm applying on languages column and I give an alias for this. So if I run this, see the output. So if you try to expand this little bit, see it is array. It is array. So collect underscore list, it will give output in the form of array, and it has these elements: Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript. Okay, so whatever we have now, so we'll get all the elements. Okay, we'll get in same order. We'll get it in same order. See, and one more thing, it ignores nulls. Okay, so it ignoring nulls. And if you see, we'll try for one more column. So now we'll try on age column. So I'm using collect underscore list on this age column. See, we have 25, 28, 35, 29. So we'll see, we'll get same order. I try to expand this. And see 25, 28, we'll get same order. But it ignoring nulls. So whatever we have nulls now, it ignoring. And it given in the form of array. See list. And if you expand this one, this is array type. And it will show all the elements, what it collected. Okay, so this is about how to apply on single column. Next, we'll see how to apply collect underscore set function. So on same columns, I'm trying to apply collect underscore set function. Suppose I'm applying on languages column. You see the difference. It ignores distinct values. See, if you see Python, it has 2 times, but it ignored duplication. And PHP also we have 2 times, that also ignored. See, if you see here Java, Python 2 times is there, PHP 2 times is there, and Scala, HTML, C++, JavaScript, that is single time. So remaining things we are getting in single time. So these are array type and it collecting all the elements except duplicate. Okay, so same I'm applying on age column. So if you try to expand this, see 35, 21, 54. If you see here duplicate values, which one repeating 2 times, 35 repeating 2 times. Yeah, so we have only one value, it repeating 2 times. So it will give output as only one value, that is 135. See, 35 is not repeating. So this is the difference between collect underscore list and collect underscore set. So this definition is similar to Python. So list, it will give all the elements, including duplicates. Set, it is equivalent to dictionary. It will exclude duplicates. Okay, so that is the difference. So now we'll see one more function, array underscore distinct on collect underscore list. So this means, so collect underscore list, what it gives including duplicates also. So suppose you want to avoid this collect underscore set, then equivalent function is applying array underscore distinct function on top of collect underscore list languages. Then it will give same result what it gives collect underscore set. Okay, so this is both are equal. See here it not repeating Python 2 times. We are getting PHP only once. So this is array underscore distinct of collect underscore list is equivalent to collect underscore set. Okay, so parallelly we can see the data type also. See, initially our column is string type. Okay, so it converted string to array, and inside element is, these elements are string. So that means array of string. If you see our initial languages data type is string. So what it did now is it converted from string to array of string data type. Okay, so this is about array underscore distinct on top of collect underscore list. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll try to use group by function on top of collect list. So what it means is, so I'm applying group by function on name column, and I'm aggregating with collect underscore list on languages column. We'll see how we'll get result. See, if you see group by of name column, see it group first it grouping, and we are getting these names. And if you see input name column, see we have James it repeating 3 times, Anna repeating 2 times, Maria 2 times. So James total 4 times, Anna here 2, here 3, 5 times, and Rakesh. So first it grouping this name column, and it listing down. So we have distinct names, total 4. James, Anna, Maria, and Rakesh. And on top of that, we are applying collect list function on languages. So what it doing, it collecting all the elements related to James. So what we have, Java, Python, Scala. So if you see James, what it has, Java, Python, and one more is Scala. Okay, Java, Python, Scala. So same thing we can see here, whatever it collected here. See, Java, Python, Scala. For unknown, you can check similar way. So what it has, PHP, JavaScript, PHP, HTML. PHP, JavaScript, see, PHP, JavaScript, PHP, HTML. So similar way for Maria also, you can check, cross-check this. And for Rakesh, we have empty. See, for Rakesh, we have empty. So that's why it given empty array. So we give empty array. So similar way, if you replace this collect underscore list with collect underscore set. So remaining same, I'm grouping on same name column, and column also I'm using languages. So what difference we'll get? See here. So here we are getting only Scala, Java, Python. Scala, Java, Python. See it repeating 2 times now. So collect underscore set it giving without duplicates. So similar way for Anna, PHP 2 times are there. So it will exclude PHP 1. So only one PHP, JavaScript, and HTML. So these don't have duplication. So we are getting result as it is. And if you see this set languages data type, it is array, and inside each element has string data type. That is array of string. Okay, so this is about how we'll apply group by function with collection underscore list or set. Next, we'll see how to apply collect underscore list function on multiple columns. So first, what I did, I used group by on same name column and aggregating with collect underscore list, and I'm using languages and age. Here I'm selecting multiple columns. See, earlier for single column, we are simply using collect underscore list of single column name. Since we are using multiple columns, we have to use struct function. So what it does is it will convert into array of these 2 columns. So if you want to get more in-depth information about struct column, how to use it, go to my playlist. In PySpark playlist, you can go to this 7th video, how to use struct function in PySpark. So I explained there in detail how to use struct function. So if I click on this, and if you see result, see this group by name, we have total 4 distinct names. So before that, you can cross verify with df.select of name distinct.show. So it will list down all the distinct names. Okay. So James, Anna, Maria, Rakesh. Okay. So this is group by name. Okay. So this is group by name. It has 4 distinct names. And top of that, what I did, struct I used on column and age. Okay. So whatever inside floor bracket is, so these are all the elements generated with struct function. And on top of that, since we used collect underscore list, what collect underscore list gives output as in the form of array. So that's why you'll see first this list. Okay. So if you expand this, since collect underscore list, it is array type. On top of that, struct used on languages and age. So if you see each result, so total how many are there? Total 4 are there. Four are there. So if you see languages and age, so languages and age, see total for James, what it has? Java 25, Python 28, Python 35, PHP 29. Okay, so similar way you can cross verify here. See languages Java is 25, languages Python 28. For James, whatever combinations we saw now, total 4 combinations, it will list down. So you can cross verify here. I will take one image. See, if you compare this one, see languages and age. Okay, for James, what is first one? First language is Java, age 25. Java 25. For second James, this is first element, that is first row. That is this one, first row. One means again second row. For James, what is their language is Python, age is 28. And for third James, what we have? Python 35. So this is Python 35. And fourth one, we have Scala and 35. So language is Scala, age is 35. So similar way, you can check for and also. See total how many we have? 4. So total 5 we have. So you can compare. So first Anna, what it has? Language is PHP 29. Language is PHP 29. What it has second? JavaScript and null. If you see second, language is JavaScript and age is null. And if you check with third one, we have PHP and null. So language is PHP and again age is null. And if you check with fourth one, we have HTML, language is HTML, age is 21. So language is HTML, age is 21. And last one, language is null, age is 65. Language is null, age is 65. So similar way, we can check for Maria also. So Maria, we have 2. So this is one, first one. We have languages Java, age 54. Languages Java, age 54. And for second one, language is C++, age is 47. C++, age 47. And if you check for Rakesh, we have 1. So that is both are null. That means language is null, age is null. So that's why it's showing array, language is null, and age is null. So this is about different ways of using collect underscore list and collect underscore set. So that's all about this video. So if you really like this video, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share in your circle. Thank you.